This is not a car restoration video, but it's about what happens after the wrenching is done, about actually using these old machines we put so much love into. So today, I'm packing up my 1987 Golf and heading to the mountain. And yes, I did manage to get that old hatchback all the way up there. I'm lucky to live in a place like this, where the wilderness is just minutes away, and you don't need the latest gear or the most fancy setup to enjoy it. Like the Gore-Tex jacket I'm wearing, it's been patched several times, just like the Golf, and it still works. There's something special about slowing down, letting the road take its time, and just watch the landscape shift around you. Do you remember the last time you just drove without any destination? A small trip, that's all it is. And yet it feels like a reset button. I didn't bring much, just the basics. But right now, it feels like more than enough. Maybe I'll make more of these videos, if it resonates with you. Let me know. A like and a comment tells me this is something worth sharing more of. If you're here from the car builds, thanks for sticking around. And if you're new, welcome. This channel is about passion, about creating, and about living it. Take care, slow down, build something, drive it somewhere.